Hey, this is Dave. I am back with another review of Advanced Lighting Systems AUD 202H. Have you checked these guys out yet? We've got a 2000 lumen rechargeable and corded LED audio light. Here it is. This is a rubberized housing. Big LED in the middle, a couple speakers over there. We've got a magnetic base, also got a screw hole. This thing swivels so you can stand it up. So just standing on the counter, looking like that, right? Here's a little overview. Let's keep going. I've got this right here. Well, here, let me show you the controls on the back first. All right, so we got power. That is light or light off, right? So here's the light on, and that's at 400 lumens, 8, 12, 16, or 2000 lumens. Wow. I'm going to turn it all the way down for the sake of our video here, and let's just turn it off. And of course, you got a USB. You can use this as a power bank. You got Bluetooth. I have it turned on. It's connected to my phone right here. And our battery meter, we are at about 75%, 70% battery. So this thing is rechargeable, and it can be used corded or not. I need it. Oh, huge heatsink, right? Let me show you my favorite feature. Magnetic base. This is so convenient everywhere. It's just awesome. This is a heavy speaker, but it's on there. I mean, you gotta want it to come off. Here's the USB port, right? You can charge your phone on it. It's a what is it? A 5 volt 1 amp. Is that right? Yeah, 5 volt 1 amp. And then over on the other side, looks almost the same. We got the round plug, but this is where you know we're dealing with a professional level tool here. So got a 200-inch cord with a really nice cable wrap. I wish every company supplied stuff. So you'd plug it in and then you're good to go. I don't want to plug it in right now. I want you to hear it cordless. It doesn't make a difference. But so this is a light and a Bluetooth speaker, and it is a power bank. Let's look at a couple things. One thing to note, only one Bluetooth device at a time, right? And then the built-in power bank with a USB outlet to charge your phone. It's a 6,000 milliamp hour battery. It'll automatically shut down though when the battery voltage is below 9.5 volts. So lamp will work, but the battery will not charge your phone anymore. So it knows that its priority is to provide light. So here's the bits that you need to know. Just charge it inside. While charging, this is right here. While charging, while the lamp is on, the charger will only be able to charge the battery to 30%. Switch off the lamp to fully charge the battery. So just charge this thing at night. It's a long battery, right? So this is rad, patent pending, or patent protected, 2-year warranty. I like that. I mean, that's a robust warranty for something that bounces around, right? Packaging is nice. I want to show you, is there anything we're missing here? 5-step dimmer. You see what's going on there? Rechargeable cable, dual fuel. Means you can plug it in or use the battery. You can power your phone. Glow in the dark. Oh yeah, did you see the glow in the dark? Anyways, that's all right. We'll show you in a minute. And what else am I missing? Energy use. All right. So here is all the specs on this thing. So 2,000 lumens at 100% and goes down. Operating range. The strike resistance, the waterproof resistance, big LED, right, there's a battery. It will go anywhere from 2.5 to 12 hours. Obviously, if you're running this thing at 2,000 lumens, it's not going to last you all day. But if you're just providing light for your work area, it'll last all day. Music for your work area, all day. No problem. 5-meter cord. So it includes a charger, of course. So now moving on to more important things. Does it work? All right. There's gonna be brighter days. There's gonna be brighter days. Just not then, but I won't break. Okay, right then, you hear where the bass kicks in. Obviously, this small speaker doesn't have a lot of bass, right? But it doesn't get muddy, which is cool. I like that it doesn't get all fuddled with it. It just gets rid of those frequencies. It doesn't really try to project them. So, nice speaker. It sounds good. I could listen to this on the job site all day. So, music's great. It's nice to have on the job site. It's certainly not a waveguide, you know, or anything like that. But it is meant to be a light. The magnet is worth it alone just to have this awesome light. I wanted to show you what's going on. Here, let's turn this off. Let's see how it works at night. Don't mind my garage is a mess. Oh, there we go, power. Couldn't see. So that's on the lowest setting. We still got music going. Let's go up. I mean, that's no joke, right? We're in my garage. There's no windows in here. That is bright. Now that's projected right at it. And that's, you know, I mean, that is bright. Holy cow. I love it. So, and then you can turn down the light. Or turn it off. Oh, the garage light's on. That's nice. There it is. There's the difference. And then let's turn it all the way down. And then let's say you are, you're done with your music. Just hit the Bluetooth button. Let me make sure I get the right one. And that's it. You haven't had to turn off the phone. You haven't had to get into your pocket. You can just hit the button that's right. Oh, can't get it off. There we go. So you just hit this Bluetooth button. Here, let me give you a light again. So, hit Bluetooth. Let's turn it on. Let's see if it connects automatically and starts playing. I'd be really surprised if it did. Yeah, my phone paused on its own. See if it's going to reach out. Oh, I have to reconnect my phone. Okay, let's get it back on. Here we go. Go to here, Bluetooth. There it is, AD202H, and connected. All right, got a little Moody Blues. Let's see if there's something that's going to sound. I could have that on the job site, right? Yeah. Anyways, nice speaker. You can mount it on a tripod. You can actually light, you know, your set if that's what you're doing. And then let me do one more thing. Let me turn off the light. So I still have music going, right? And you can see that glow in the dark. Have fun. So there it is. That is ALS, Advanced Lighting Systems, a Bluetooth light, 2000 lumens, and some jamming tunes with a magnetic base. I love it. And you'll never have to worry about your phone losing charge. Just plug it into your speaker. Hey, thanks for joining us. Come back again. We'll review something else awesome. ALS, thanks for this. This is cool.